Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss how to enroll contacts in a sequence in Hubspot. So to do that, you first need to head over to your Hubspot homepage. For this case, just head over to the Sales tool. From there, you can find Sequences. Proceed to click on it to open the Sequences dashboard. On this page, just select and edit the sequence that you want to use. Click on Edit for the specific call or email sequence. Once inside, you will see the sequence steps including automated emails, task reminders, follow-up delays, personalization tokens, meeting links, and timing settings that help structure your outreach process effectively. From there, you can click on the Enroll option. For this, you can either enroll contacts manually or create a workflow for automation. Click on Enroll Contacts and you can choose Automatic Enrollment or Enable and Connect your inbox email. Once your inbox is connected, you can proceed to add the contacts that you want to enroll directly or choose automatic enrollment if you prefer contacts to be added based on specific criteria. So that's all there is today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.